I often get asked many questions like, why did I come to China? Well, yes, I came to China because I have a huge respect for the Chinese people and their culture. I think the culture is fantastic, and I would really like to bring some of that culture into the cars we design for Geely. I always tell my colleagues that a nation's product should reflect the place of origin. And it's these Chinese elements we've used when designing the Boyer.
I'm an avid fan of Chinese culture. I admire China. Boyer was one of our first works of art here at Geely Design. What we've achieved with the Boyer is a form that is strong and quite simple, yet elegant.
我们身边从不缺乏美，缺乏的是发现美的眼睛。你会流连西湖的美，可你却不一定在西湖泛舟时发现涟漪的美。在博越上，我们将身边发现的美无一例外地用上了。这不是自夸，设计博越已经不是我工作的一部分，它已经成了我生活的一部分。
When talking about Chinese design elements, it's important to talk about the Rui jade design from ancient Chinese culture that's incorporated in the lower grille area. In the front, this is the main focal point.
The design of the dashboard, for example, is shaped after the broken bridge from the Hangzhou West Lake. The speakers, light switches, and other controls have all used interlocking patterns.
From the first sketch to the concept stage and then onto the models and then the engineering phase, it's our job to maintain the design intent. And then I hope when it's all finished you'll see that the Chinese cars of the future are up there with the best in quality, and they're beautiful.
We were trying to find common points in our designs, and the dynamic stance of big cats was something that inspired us greatly. You will find that cars from different countries have different style and unique selling points. Of course, Chinese vehicles should have their own strong characteristics as well. And that is what my colleagues and I have always believed in, and what we're working towards every day.
When designing the Boyer, it was important to us to demonstrate the power, the speed, and the elegance of this car. So we started positioning the elements, design elements like the grille, the headlamp, at the right place, right position in the front, and then to give this sense of speed, sense of power, and then take it all the way through the windshield to the upper and have this dynamic roof line to give a sense of motion.
我认为好看的车也要坚持好的品质。我们在选色和选材上也是煞费苦心。金属和皮革材料的巧妙搭配，让博越充满了档次感。这是吉利自己设计的字体，要让吉利拥有自己的设计风格和设计语言。
Our pursuit for the perfect design can be seen in every line and every detail that we've included in the design of the Boyer. This is a testament to our hard work and our unrelenting spirit to create the very best of Chinese products. The Boyer is a realization of our dream to produce a beautiful SUV. And I'm confident that Chinese customers will take great pride in buying this, a true Chinese design.